That's so cool.
You
One.
It's an honor. Well, you say I actually here.
Oh. Like a dog.
You have the little bit river.
Yeah, it's a bit dry well, today. It's a little bit dry.
They have you house in the rancho.
We're going along the river. I understand, yes. Look, there is little waterfall.
Think you need something you.
Sometimes people need to spend time to drive to this, place for many hours.
Yeah.
But you are lucky enough.
It's
Look at this here. Summer because it's very hot, 40 degrees. But here you are in between.
Yeah.
Like so, it's very cool. Oh,
Free
look at
with a guitar.
That's so cool.
This is the area. You can take a swimming.
Yeah.
And the people here say that ollas.
Oh, it's very clean water.
Yeah. But this I feel it's very cold too.
It's very cold.
Yeah.
How is it? Is it cold?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
A little. Wow.
So it's more smaller. But with nacho, with cross up.
Oh, you go up.
continue. And
Ah,
it's beautiful.
good luck. I will wait for you here.
So it's a difficult, but it's a price to live here. Balneario of Saguana.
Wow, it is beautiful here.
It's beautiful, yeah.
Yes.
For you can go display and take a month, stay here, and with the sun, with the day trees is very beautiful. Soft drink,
Yes.
it's beautiful.
And enjoying the view,
Yeah.
right? Wow.